Black holes, mysterious voids where the rules of physics as we know them completely break down. What's inside these cosmic enigmas? Let's find out. It all starts with the death of a massive star. When it runs out of fuel, the star collapses under its own gravity, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. But what lies beyond the event horizon, the point of no return? Crossing the event horizon is like stepping into the unknown. Gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Time slows down, and space twists in unimaginable ways. To an outside observer, you'd appear frozen, stuck in time. But what happens to you as you fall inward? The journey into a black hole is terrifying. As you approach the singularity, you'd experience spaghettification, where the immense gravitational pull stretches you into a long, thin strand. Sounds horrifying, doesn't it? Inside the singularity, the laws of physics no longer make sense. Density is infinite, and time and space cease to exist as we understand them. Some theories suggest it's a gateway to another universe or even a shortcut through space-time, known as a wormhole. But here's the catch. We can't actually observe what's inside a black hole. All we have are theories like quantum gravity, which might one day unlock these secrets. Until then, it's one of the greatest mysteries of the universe. So, what's inside a black hole? Endless possibilities. One thing's for sure, black holes remind us how much we still have to learn about our vast universe.